Hello, my name is Evan Saftia, Director of Product Marketing here at Cato Networks. In this video, we're going to talk about TLS decryption and why it's so important. Now, it's estimated that 90% of the world's web traffic is TLS encrypted. This means that if you're not decrypting this traffic in order to inspect it, that you have a huge security blind spot. It's a little bit like going to the airport and having them only check 1 out of every 10 passengers that gets on a plane. Now, you may have thought about this, and you probably have some of these expensive firewalls lying around. They're probably at your data center or maybe even at your branch locations. And you looked into what it would take to actually perform TLS decryption on these devices. Now, you probably weren't sized properly for that to begin with, so really you had to add some additional firewalls in order to accommodate that. So depending on what your deployment looks like, right, you're doubling your firewalls at your data center, you're adding some more to your branch locations, and before you know it, you're buried in firewalls. And not only that, this is very expensive. Now with Cato's SASE Cloud, it's a lot easier and less expensive to deploy TLS inspection. So let's switch over to our management console and take a look. This is the Cato management console. TLS inspection is currently disabled, but let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to click security, and now we're going to click TLS inspection. Now here is where you would enable TLS inspection globally for your organization using a variety of criteria, including location, category, and a few other things. Now that we've done this, let's go ahead and take a look at our client machine and see what happens when we try and download an ICAR file over HTTPS. First, we're going to connect our Cato client. Next, let's go ahead and navigate to that ICAR file. So here we'll click this first link to download the ICAR test file over HTTPS. We click it, we get a notification. We hit keep, and as you can see, the file successfully downloads without any issue. Now let's go ahead and switch back to our management console and enable TLS inspection. So I've already pre-configured this policy some with categories, a user account, and a location. We just have to turn it on and click save. What's really cool about this is that we can turn this on in just a couple clicks for our entire organization using Cato without deploying hardware or having to spend any extra money or doing any sizing. So let's switch back to our client machine. We'll go ahead and try and download that same ICAR file. So here we are on the ICAR page. We'll go ahead and click the link. And as you can see, now that TLS inspection is enabled, we blocked this potential security threat. So before it was easily downloaded, there was nothing blocking it because we really didn't have insight into what that traffic was because it was encrypted. But now with just a few clicks, we've enabled TLS inspection and are safer because of that. Thank you so much for watching this demo. I hope you enjoyed it.